Hello and welcome to the third session of the Public GIS Viewer Introductory Training. Today we're going to be going over the Drawing tab. So after the application is opened, just click on the Drawing tab and you can see that we've got several additional new types of drawing components that you can do on your map. So we can zoom into an area, for example. I'm going to turn off the aerials just to make it a little bit easier to see. And these are the different types of drawing items that we can add to the map as well as text. We can manage our drawings and either modify them or erase them. So just examples, you can draw points, and prior to dropping your graphic, if you want to change your color, you can do that through this menu item here. You can change your points to different symbols such as diamonds and place those on your map. If I wanted to edit a drawing, I can select it and move it. If I wanted to erase a single drawing, I can select the erase drawing tool and click once, or if I wanted to clear all of the drawings, I just click that button. So that's points. There's also freehand. Hold down your mouse button and you can draw. Again, you can change your coloring. You can change the type of line that is drawn. Make it black. And I'm just holding down my left mouse button and basically freehand drawing as if I had a pencil in my hand. Line is similar, but it's not freehand. It has vertices at each time you click a left click with your mouse. Double click to finish the drawing. Can change my line symbology. I can edit drawings again with lines just by selecting the edit drawing tool and then clicking on the drawing itself. Sometimes it's kind of hard to grab. There. There. So now that I've selected the drawing item, have these handles that allows me to either move the drawing around, I can stretch it, resize it, change its shape, I can turn it. So a lot of capabilities in terms of graphics that you want to add to your map to personalize it. Polygons, similar to the measure tool, double click to finish. Rectangles, you just left click and drag out. Triangles, again, left click and drag out to the shape of that you desire. Text. So prior to dropping my text, if I wanted to change my font, I can do that. And then once I've got it set how I want, I just click on the map. It brings up a text box and just hit the enter key. I can change the angle of it once I select it. I can change the font size. Change the color. Once I'm finished, just hit enter or click on the map. If I select my existing text and hit the ellipse button, the advanced label options comes up and you can basically format your text in this dialog box and then just hit apply. And it updates your text. I can erase single text items. just by selecting erase drawing and clicking on the text, or I could have chosen clear all drawings. And then of course the undo and the redo button are pretty self-explanatory, hopefully. So this concludes the third session. Pretty straightforward, but some good functionality in terms of customizing your maps to be able to make them more informative or useful for you. Thanks. Have a good day.